Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we have the EDD Beauty Carousel widget on our plate that is brought to you by the Ultimate Store Kit add-on for Elementor. Now let's go and see the customizations from the backend. Let us drag and drop the widget on the page. This is one of the cool looking product slider widgets made for featuring your ecommerce product on your WordPress website. Normally, the widget displays product info like name, category and price. Hovering over the products, one will be able to see the purchase and view details button popping up. These default settings are made to enhance the visual experience and are customizable. From the options, you can change the number of columns to display products up to 6. Let's select 4 for instance. Then you can change the content alignment for the text. Switching back to 3 columns. Make sure to use the image size option to customize the image dimensions. There's also an item gap scroll bar for spacing up the products. From the query section, you can select the source of the displayed content. Also, you can change the product limit to set the number of products that will be displayed. Using the include field, you can determine which items or categories will be on the carousel. For instance, let's select terms and type in category names on the new field below. As 2 categories are selected, the carousel displays products belonging to only the 2 categories. Below are some sharding options that you can use. The additional section has 3 switches to show or hide the title, category and price as well as set their tag. Then from the navigation section, you can add a custom navigation system like arrows, dots or others from the given ones in the list. Next, you can position the navigation arrows. As you can see, you will get more than 20 arrowhead styles to choose from. Select one that you like. Then there is a switcher to turn off the arrows on mobile devices. The Carousel Settings section contains animation controls like autoplay, loop, animation speed, cursor grab, etc. For instance, you can turn off autoplay switcher and let your visitors navigate the products manually. All these settings affect the base layout of the widget. Now let's head to the Style tab to apply more changes to this modified layout. From the first section called Items, we are going to pick a suitable color for the item's background. Then adding values in the border radius field to curve the edges a bit. Using the box shadow, it's easier to create a 3D effect on the carousel. Next, go into the title section to change the color of the title text on hover. Then use the typography option to customize the title text by editing the font family or font size. After that, we can focus on the category text that's above the title. Just the text color is enough for now. Then go to the action button section and add values inside the radius field. Then drag the space between bar to the right to increase the value. Check how the action buttons on the product carousel now look cool. Then you can customize the typography to finish it off. From the next section, let's edit the price text by changing its color to pitch black. Reducing the opacity a bit to make a blending appearance. And apply top margin value to bring the price a bit down from the initial position. Now go into the navigation section and start changing the background color of the arrows to red. The arrowhead can stay white. Then add 5 points in border radius and adjust the padding values to make a proportional arrow box. We can also add a thin border of 1 width value around the arrows. Then switch to hover mode and reverse the colors for the background and arrowhead. Finally, use offset values to adjust the arrow positions. When all is done, you will be left with a nice looking product carousel in your hands, ready to take on your online customers. Thanks for enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more widget videos like this. Take care. See you next time.